Hey guys, so Daisy Brown here, and this is just some updates about the icon I made. So I didn't really give enough detail in it. The last one I only told you about my icon. Well, now let me tell you more details about it. So you know the icon that I have for my channel thing? Yeah, I will be making those, like the puppy and stuff. I'll be making that, and they also have like cats, foxes, and yeah, so I can just make it for you, but you have to make a video about which pet shop you want the icon to be, and I can do up to 2 pet shops. I can only do 2 because you guys saw it was really hard to fit only those 2 pet shops in there, so I can't do more than 2. But if you just want the puppies, then just say, I just want the puppies, and this is the pet shop I want it to represent. And if you want the puppies in the pet shop, then you say, okay, this is the pet shop, and I want the puppy with the pet shop. And there's also, you have to say if you want your name in it or not. What I mean if you want your name in it is like, do you want your name in the icon, or do you just don't want it in the icon? So you would say like, I want my name in the icon, or I don't want my name in the icon, and it will be your YouTube name. So yeah, those are just some updates. And another thing, please tell me what color you want for the border, because I chose blue. You guys will probably see it. It's like the blue border. Just tell me what color you want for that, and I can make it. And also tell me if you want, wait, what was it? Oh, tell me if you want wings or no wings, because yeah, they come with wings. And I can also kind of do like an MLP, but it'll be kind of hard. I never tried it, but yeah, I'm only really doing pet shops. So yeah, just go do that. Go to make the video, and when you do make it, please come back to this video. And okay, good. And come back to this video and comment down below saying I made the video, and I'll go check it out. I'll make your icon. And this video is just information. So, bye guys. Bye. I forgot to tell you guys, but I'll try my best to make it look exactly like the pet that you pick. So, yeah. Bye. And it's not stopping.